Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cocktails UK easy method. Grab a shaker, fresh citrus, good spirits, ice, and basic tools. Keep measurements simple and taste as you go. I will walk you through 3 foundational recipes, explain proportions, and show quick garnish tricks that elevate presentation. This friendly guide keeps techniques clear and approachable so you can make drinks confidently at home and impress your guests. In this video, I will show how to make cocktails UK easy method. Start by gathering your tools within reach: shaker, jigger, strainer, bar spoon, muddler, and a trusty ice supply. I explain why each item matters and how to use them with simple tips that save time. You will learn to chill glassware, control dilution, and strain efficiently so every drink tastes balanced, bright, and professionally finished. In this video, I will show how to make cocktails UK easy method. Quick recommendation: bring a smart speaker like the Echo Dot into your mixing space for great background music and timers while you craft drinks. It's compact, sounds surprisingly full, and keeps playlists flowing so you stay in the rhythm. If you like this tip, subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make cocktails UK easy method. I guide you through a classic sour, a refreshing highball, and a simple stirred cocktail with clear steps and exact proportions to follow. You will learn shaking, stirring, and pouring techniques, plus easy garnish ideas to boost aroma and appearance. These reliable recipes form a foundation you can adapt with seasonal fruits and personal tastes at home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.